Clitoria ternatia, commonly known as blue pea. If you have the availability of fresh flowers in your garden, then just go for it. And if you don't have that fresh flowers, then nothing to worry, because different brands of blue tea packs are available online. Just pick any of them. Butterfly pea flower does not contain caffeine, so it can be a great option for the regular tea users. And the preparation method is so simple. Just heat the water until boiling. And here I am using these fresh flowers that I collected from our garden. Once the water is boiling, then just dip in the flowers inside the hot water. Just follow me the process and it will be so clear, and it's not difficult at all, so it can be a great option for your morning or any time of the day. It's rich in many goodness, so I will discuss in the later part of the video what are the advantages, why we should use the blue tea. I am using a tea infuser, so you can also use directly in the saucepan or any pan where you are using normal tea. Just keep the hot water and the flour together just for 3 to 5 minutes. And that's it. The process is called hot decoction process. And during the hot decoction, a lot of ingredients, antioxidants and many other goodness from the flower that just comes inside to the water. Is so simple, and that's it. But magic you will see when we'll squeeze just little few drops of lemon into it. Just few drops of lemon will just add a magic to the color. Beautiful attractive color of the blue tea surely increases your appetite. It can be served with honey also, but here we are not using any honey or any sweetness. Some cold beverages recipes can be possible to prepare out of this blue teas or out of this blue pea flower, including lemonade or some cocktail recipes. Soon I will upload and I will come up with these few different beverages prepared out of this healthy recipe in my near future videos. But what is the necessity of a blue tea? So why should we drink? What are its advantages? So let's discuss. Blue tea is a strong antioxidant with absolute no caffeine content. So do you know it's effective for mood enhancer? That means it reduces the anxiety and unnecessary tension if any. Also, it is a very natural diuretic. Diuretic meaning is that our body will lose extra water if any. So helpful for the BP management. BP means blood pressure. And it's also a natural anti-diabetic agent. This blue tea is very good for our skin, hair, and it's just too magic to them. So it acts as an anti-aging agent, and it has been scientifically proved. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and in my next video I'll upload this red tea, and I'll also discuss the health benefits of this red tea. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please smash the like button.